In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and change the header menu logo in a Hubspot theme. This process is incredibly valuable if you want to ensure your website's branding is consistent and up to date. So let's dive right in and take this step by step. To begin with, you'll want to head over to the Hubspot homepage at hubspot.com. Once there, look towards the top right hand corner of the page where you'll find the login button. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your login credentials. This step is crucial as it secures access to your Hubspot account, allowing you to make necessary changes to your website's theme. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Hubspot home. This is essentially your command center where you'll manage everything related to your business on HubSpot. Now from here, navigate to the content section. This section is where you'll find all your website's pages, blogs, and any other content you might be hosting on your HubSpot account. Click through to access these resources. Next, you'll want to select website pages from the drop-down menu. This action will show you a list of all the pages that currently exist on your website. Here's the part where you'll want to carefully choose the page whose header logo you wish to change. Hover over a page and it should be easily selectable. After selecting your desired page, an option should appear allowing you to click on Highlight. This option brings your page into focus, making it easier for you to access and modify specific sections. This step is crucial as it differentiates your chosen page from others, aiding in a smoother editing experience. Now, it's time to enter the Global Content Editor. Look for the option Open in Global Content Editor and click it. This powerful editor is where you'll make broader changes that affect multiple pages using shared content like your header logo. The Global Content Editor is an essential tool in ensuring uniformity across your site. Once you're inside the editor, it will be time to focus on the logo element itself. Spot the section that's dedicated to the logo and click on it. This click will enable you to either upload a new logo or modify the existing one. You'll want to make sure that your new logo file meets the recommended dimensions and format specifications, ensuring it displays beautifully without compromising on quality. Finally, once you've made your changes, make sure to save all of your updates. It's always good practice to preview how your changes look before making them live, to ensure everything appears just as you envision. And there you have it, a freshly updated header with your new logo proudly displayed. By following these steps, you've effectively updated the header logo on your HubSpot theme, reinforcing your brand's identity across your digital front. Thank you for joining me today and happy customizing.